Don't download Jasper, Enterprise Team Content app before watching this. Before you download Jasper Enterprise Team Content, here is a key insight. It's more than just a writing assistant. At the enterprise level, Jasper becomes a collaborative content creation platform, but only if you implement it properly. Step 1. Define your content strategy. Jasper Enterprise offers templates, a writing, workflow management, and collaboration tools. Most teams get this wrong. They dive in without a plan, creating inconsistent content that lacks alignment with goals. Step 2. Assign roles and workflows. Enterprise plans allow multiple users with different permissions. Without clear roles, content drafts can get lost or duplicated, slowing down production. Step 3. Integrate with other marketing tools. Linking Jasper with games, email marketing, and social media scheduling tools amplifies efficiency and ensures content reaches the right channels. Step 4. Review and optimize. Suggestions are powerful, but human oversight is essential. Teams that edit and optimize content see higher engagement and conversion rates. The upside: Jasper Enterprise can accelerate content creation, improve team collaboration, and maintain brand consistency across campaigns. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has a content plan, defined workflows, and the capacity to manage collaborative writing. If you just want casual writing, simpler plans may suffice. Subscribe for more honest insights before investing in enterprise content tools.